We have witnesses who identified this body at the Chiromo mortuary for purposes of post-mortem. They included the deceased brother, PW10, the uncle Peter Njenga, Sergeant Maina, and Police Constable Biko, both from Kilimani Police. And finally, we have the doctor who performed post-mortem, Dr. Njenga, Peter. He confirmed, he carried and performed post-mortem on the body of the deceased on 24th of September 2018 at Chiromo mortuary. There is evidence from protected witness 3A to the fact that the person who went to the deceased house on 19th of September 2018 produced an ID in the name of Dominic Bisera Haron. This witness identifies the first accused person on the parade as the Dominic Bisera Haron. I'll come to the parade. And so, at this stage, I find adequate evidence that the ID of Dominic Bisera Haron was stolen at Royal Park Estate in Langata on 17th of September, 2 days before 19th of September, when the offense was committed. When the first accused person left the house on the 19th of September 2018, he was wearing a white shirt with patterns, a maroon cap or cap, and brown shorts. Now, the prosecution produced a brown shirt marked as exhibit number 9 and a maroon cap marked as prosecution exhibit number 4. And they were shown to the witness, and she says, yes, they look like what he was wearing. For sentencing,